It's interesting that you are working full time in crypto, but you still don't invest in crypto. You know, I remember also from our previous conversation that you did used to invest in crypto, but more like in a low cap tokens and stuff like that for the fun of it. But I'm a bit opposite. I am a true believer in decentralized money. That's why I believe in Bitcoin and Ethereum. I used to do a lot of DeFi before I started focusing into smart contract security. But now I'm doing less DeFi because the risk is just too high, especially when I see how many vulnerabilities there are out there. So I just prefer to hold to ETH and Bitcoin, and that's it.
Yes, exactly. I really respect this. I also 100% believe in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Of course, I'm part of this space. It works wonders. As I said, there are a lot of things that I like a lot about this space. But yeah, in terms of investments, you have to first diversify, which is a very good thing. But as I said, I'm a guy who likes more risks, and you wouldn't call real estate very risky, but I think it has the perfect amount of risk because I'll be buying land myself, and then I'll be building on it, and then selling a house, for example, which can bring a great yield. Like I can probably almost double my money, which is not easy to do in crypto. I mean, it might be easy, but it's the risk is much higher. And with Bitcoin and in Ethereum, it's you can double your money, of course, especially in Ethereum. I think it will grow a lot pretty soon. I don't know when, but this is the better bet for me right now. But yeah, I'm not really into low market cap coins and NFTs anymore. I'm just not going on that route. But Bitcoin and Ethereum are great bets. Much less risk there. So yeah, they're good for investors, I think.
Indeed.